Um, Welcome everyone. Let's start our GD. Today's GD topic is the United Nations still relevant? So we will take 1 minute to think about it, then we will start.
So according to me, United Nations is still relevant because it is actively working to maintain peace within the international community. It could prevent the war since 195 by changing the perception that the neighboring countries should be seen as the potential trading partners. This has a promote economic development and a build good relation among countries.
I would like to agree with Mr. Nitish Upadhyay. Yes, as UN is working very efficiently with underprivileged nations and taking and tackling global challenges from subsidiary organizations such as UNESCO, WHO, and UNICEF, etc. Thank you.
Agree with both Nitesh and Bala, but United Nations is not relevant in the 21st century as of the powerful organ of the UN, which is UNSC, is not relevant to the present time. It has only 5 permanent members: USA, Russia, China, Britain, France, plus 10 non-permanent members. This is resulting in the misuse of the power by the 5 permanent members using veto power. They often block key decisions which are very much needed by other nations. There is no representation of the developing countries, African countries, and Southern Hemisphere countries in the UNSC. Plus, this doesn't suit to the present times, which emphasizes the need of equality.
Yes, I agree with you, but I think the fact that the United Nations could promote technological and economic development since 1945 and is still promoting proves the point that United Nations is still relevant. Even though the United Nations has failed in preventing the COVID-19 pandemic, it can work effectively to prevent further pandemics. And it would be too idealistic to expect any institution to succeed all the time. With information sharing and international cooperation, the member countries can save the world from pandemics using United Nations.
Yes, I totally agree with you, Mr. Manshi, but I would like to say that the World Health Organization, which is also called as WHO, has miserably failed in preventing the COVID-19 pandemic.
Definitely. Even I do agree with Mr. Kazim and Mr. Chintan. The world has changed so much since 1945, but the UN hasn't changed at the same pace.
I respect your opinion, Mr. Wahid, but I have something to say. It is spreading the spirit of democracy in the member countries. It is also working on protecting human rights in the member countries, which is very much needed in the present time.
Global changes like terrorism, food crisis, water scarcity need global solution. For that, we do need have any alternate to United Nations as of now.
Yes, Ms. Himanshi, I agree with your opinion, but I would like to say something that still billions of people are still living under poverty, and that makes other international organizations which they should not participate or something. UN is literally dominating other international organizations. Some countries complained about the UN that they are encroaching on their sovereignty. It is not right in this 21st century. The fact that regional organizations and other smaller organizations are growing and is proving that the UN is losing its relevance.
As we are arriving at the consensus, so the GD conclusion is that the United Nations is still relevant to the present time, but is need to perform and reform UNS should be reformed to suit the 21st century. Better transparency and information sharing can make the UNS a much more effective organization.